Since its appearance in Earth, humans have never stopped challenging nature and evolving, transforming themselves and pushing the limits of what they were capable of doing. Since ancient times, humans have sought to control their environment and use natural elements to their advantage. The earliest humans learned to hunt, gather, and cultivate their food. They developed tools for cutting wood, stone, and metal, laying the foundation for technology. Over time, humans began to live in communities, building villages and cities. Over the centuries, humans have continued to develop their skills and ingenuity, creating architectural masterpieces, scientific breakthroughs, and works of art that have spanned the ages. The pyramids of Egypt, the Great Wall of China, the Colosseum, the Burj Khalifa, the Golden Gate, all these structures represent humans' ability to build wonders with their hands and minds. In science, humans have studied the world around them, seeking to understand the laws of nature and exploit them for their benefit. Discoveries such as the wheel, compass, vaccination, electricity, and modern medicine have revolutionized our way of life. In art, humans have used their imagination to create works that have moved, inspired, and amazed future generations. From prehistoric cave paintings to Renaissance masterpieces, to contemporary films, music, and books, throughout history, humans have left their mark on Earth, building cities, roads, bridges, and monuments that have withstood the test of time. Humans have adapted and evolved through the ages, using their intelligence, ingenuity, and creativity to transform the world around them. To distinguish themselves on Earth as the most evolved beings on this planet. Is this period over? Is the reign of the human species threatened? But who dares to challenge humans who have reigned as masters over this planet for millennia? The machine revolution is underway. Humans have ended up being dethroned by their own invention. And January 2023 was the month when the balance of power shifted, when the Messiah made his appearance. Has this era come to an end? Is the dominion of the human species in peril? Yet, who would dare to contest those who have ruled this planet as masters for millennia? The revolution of machines is well underway. Humans have been dethroned by their very own invention. January 2023 marked the turning point of power, when the Messiah made their appearance.
ChatGPT.
Imagine yourself speaking to an artificial intelligence that can answer any question, produce content, and even write code. In early 2023, the public was introduced to the incredible power of ChatGPT, a technology that uses AI to generate text, images, and even computer programs. This discovery sparked both great curiosity and wonder, as well as concerns about the potential impact of this technology on employment and the economy. While some fear that ChatGPT and similar technologies could lead to job loss, others see the potential for increased productivity and efficiency. Regardless, the development of ChatGPT marks a significant milestone in the ongoing evolution of AI, and its potential applications are exciting and far-reaching.
In this video, we're going to talk about 5 amazing things you can do using ChatGPT, although the possibilities offered by ChatGPT are almost endless. In this video, we will present 5 ways to use ChatGPT to increase your productivity. Firstly, ChatGPT can help you write resumes. Whether you're looking for your dream job or just updating your CV, ChatGPT can provide you with useful tips and suggestions to make your CV stand out. With its language generation capabilities, capabilities, ChatGPT can even help you write entire sentences and paragraphs, saving you time and effort. Secondly, ChatGPT can create book summaries. If you're an avid reader but don't have time to read every book, ChatGPT can help. Simply enter the book title and ChatGPT will provide you with a concise summary of the key points and themes, allowing you to absorb the main ideas without having to read the entire book. Thirdly, ChatGPT can assist with advertising slogan writing. Whether you're a marketing professional or a business owner looking to create catchy taglines for your products or services, ChatGPT can generate creative and memorable slogans to help you stand out from the competition. Fourthly, ChatGPT can help with technical comparisons. If you're trying to choose between two products or services but are unsure which one is better, ChatGPT can provide you with a detailed comparison, highlighting the pros and cons of each option to help you make an informed decision. Finally, ChatGPT can assist with web development. Whether you're a professional developer or a beginner, ChatGPT can provide you with useful tips and suggestions for coding, debugging, and problem solving. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can even help you understand complex programming concepts in plain language. So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to use ChatGPT to improve your productivity. Whether you're a job seeker, a reader, a marketer, a decision maker, or a developer, ChatGPT is here to help. Give it a try today and see for yourself how it can transform the way you work and learn. If you want to discover more techniques to improve your productivity using ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section. Thank you for following us. See you soon.